Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your brain and body when you completely stop drinking coffee for 2 weeks? Coffee is the most widely consumed stimulant on Earth, but relying on it daily dramatically alters your neurology and hormones. When you quit caffeine, your body undergoes an immediate, fascinating recalibration. Within the first 12 hours, your brain notices the sudden absence of adenosine blockade, setting off a cascade of deep physiological repairs. During the first 48 hours, you will likely experience the dreaded caffeine withdrawal headache. Caffeine causes your brain's blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow slightly. When caffeine suddenly leaves your system, those blood vessels dilate rapidly, creating increased pressure inside your head. You might also feel temporary fatigue, irritability, and muscle stiffness. This uncomfortable phase is simply your central nervous system resetting its baseline sensitivity. By days 3 and 4, your sleep quality undergoes a massive, quiet revolution. Caffeine has a half-life of roughly 6 hours, meaning a single afternoon cup stays in your system overnight. It severely suppresses deep delta-wave sleep, which is critical for physical repair and immune function. As caffeine fully clears your system, you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling genuinely restored, rather than relying on an alarm. By the middle of the first week, your adrenal glands finally catch a break. Every cup of coffee stimulates your adrenal glands to release cortisol and adrenaline, putting your body in a subtle, constant state of fight or flight. Without that daily chemical spike, your baseline stress levels drop significantly. You will notice fewer sudden spikes of anxiety, reduced muscle tension, and a much calmer, steady emotional state throughout your day. By day 7, your digestive system and gut microbiome begin to heal. Coffee is highly acidic and triggers your stomach to produce excess hydrochloric acid, often causing acid reflux, bloating, or stomach irritation. Furthermore, daily coffee rushes food through your digestive tract before nutrients can be fully absorbed. After 7 days without coffee, your stomach lining relaxes, digestion smooths out, and your intestines absorb vitamins and minerals far more efficiently. Moving into the second week, your cardiovascular system reaps immediate, measurable benefits. Caffeine temporarily spikes your heart rate and tightens your arteries, elevating blood pressure throughout the day. By day 10, your arterial walls relax, your resting heart rate stabilizes, and your overall blood pressure drops into a healthier range. Your heart doesn't have to work nearly as hard to pump blood throughout your entire body. By days 11 through 14, your natural energy levels finally fully recover. Daily caffeine tricks your brain by forcing adrenaline production, eventually burning out your natural stamina. Without it, your body resumes producing clean, consistent ATP energy from the food you eat. You will no longer experience the dreaded 2 o'clock afternoon crash, nor will you need a morning crutch just to feel awake. By the end of 14 days, your brain has completely reset its adenosine receptors. Your cardiovascular, digestive, and nervous systems are running at peak natural performance. You now have true, unforced daily energy, deeper sleep, calmer focus, and balanced hormones. Taking a simple 14-day break from coffee completely restores your body's natural vitality from the inside out.